Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we will be making a monster windsock. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you'll find one sheet of cardstock with holes punched in it, one streamer, an eyes sheet, and a piece of yarn. You'll also need some additional items: scissors, a glue stick, tape, and some coloring materials. All right, let's clear off our workspace and get started. Yes. First, we are going to decide what type of monster we will make. So go ahead and decide on the eyes you want to make, what color your monster will be, and design your monster. Work between these two punched holes, and this is the top of your monster because your yarn is going to get tied into these holes. So your monster sock, when it's done, will look like this. Your monster face will be here. You can have the back of your monster here. So go ahead and decorate. Go ahead and put lots of glue on your eyeball, because when the cardstock bends, you don't want your eyeball to come off. So all right, there's my monster. And now go ahead and flip your monster over and bring out your streamer. And your streamer is one long piece here. So what you want to do first is go ahead and fold it in half and then cut on that fold. Doesn't have to be super precise. And now fold it in half again and cut on that fold. What I also like to do is go ahead and cut the streamer up. So if we line these all up, if you want, you can fold to make it easier to cut, or you can just see if you can cut a straight line and maybe go like a few inches, it's a foot, that's up to you. Just try to keep these streamers together. This is definitely an advanced extra step. All right, so that's about a foot, I think. And now what I'm gonna do is just separate these out and grab some tape and kind of space them out and tape them across the bottom. So one. So now get one piece of tape ready. And what we're gonna do is roll it, hold the top together, line up these two edges, hold the top together, put a piece of tape right there. And now do the same on the bottom. So go ahead and line the bottom up, put a piece of tape right here. And now you can work to fill this in with tape as well. And now what we're gonna do is tie our yarn in these two holes. So go ahead and put your piece of yarn through and tie it off, maybe 3 or 4 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, there we go. We can cut off that excess if you want. And on the other side, and there you have it. There's your monster windsock. Now, you can hang your monster from a tree outside or your porch or wherever you'd like. just go ahead and bring it in before any rain comes, okay? Also, as always, go ahead and clean up your workspace. Nice job, everyone. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your monster windsock. I hope to see you here at the library, and please check our calendar for more DIY events as well. Have a great day, friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.